Good morning students. Today's topic is how we can implement a multiplexer from a Boolean function. So here is a question. Implement the following function with the multiplexer. The function is FABCD and the value of this function is 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9 and 15. So here it is a 4 variable function, so the value of n will be 4 and it will be implemented using 2 to the power of n minus 1. So the value of n is 4, so n minus 1 will be 3, so here 8 will become and last is a 1. So this function will be implemented with the help of 8 to 1 multiplexer. So the selections line will be 3, that is n minus 1. Ordered sequence of variable is ABCD. Singled out variable we will take A, and the selections line variable we will use the remaining variable BCD. So total variable is ABCD. In the function, one variable will be singled out from the left hand side and rest will be the selection lines from the right hand side. So now the implementation table of this multiplexer is, so these values is this is the 4 variables, so total value may be from 0 to 15. So we will write in this way: I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7, and here we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Similar to just like a K-map, so here we are using the singled out variable, so the possible value of this will be A bar and A. So just circle the number which is giving in question. So first number is 0, 1, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 3, 4 in the question, and next number is 8, 9 and 15. Now the important thing in this table is a bottom line of this. So if the both number will be circled, here will become 1. In the second line 1 and 9 both are circled, so here will become 1. If the no number is circled vertically, so this will become 0. If the one number is circled only on top side, so top variable will become, so here we will write A bar. Again here we will write A bar. On I5 and I6 there is the no selection, so we will write the 0, and in case of I7 we will write A because the bottom number is selected of this table. So here we can say 1 we are getting on I0 and I1, and 0 we are getting on I2, I5 and I6, and A bar we are getting on I3 and I4, and A we are getting on I7. So now this is the implementation of 8 into 1 mux. So we will write here I0, I1, I2 till I7. This is the output of function, and these are the difference input, and singled out variable and the third selection line will be S0, S1 and S2, that is B, C and D. So here we are writing 1, and these line will be input to I0 and I1, 0 to I2, I5 and I6 from the above, and A bar will be go to I3 and I4, and A will be on I7. So this is the implementation of 8 into 1 mux with the help of above implementation table. Now the final expression of this multiplexer will be, so equation of 8 into 1 multiplexer is, and this will be for all multiplexer 8 into 1. So we are writing here the S0, S1 and S2 and multiply this with I0. Next selection line will be multiplied by I2, I1, and next selection line will be multiplied by I2, and similarly we will write till I7. Now this is the 0, so the binary number of 0 is a 0 0 0, and this is the SOP, so we are writing here the S0 bar, S1 bar and S2 bar, and the value of 1 is 0 0 1, so bar will be come on first two, and in case of the third 0 1 0, so the bar will become on first and last. So similarly we will write the complete based on the binary numbers from 0 to 7. Now taking another example, implement the following function with a multiplexer. So here in this question there is the 3 variable and the values are 1, 3, 5 and 6. So here 3 variable function, so the value of n will be 3. It is implemented with the help of 2 to the power n minus 1 to 1. So this will be 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 2 to the power 2. So 4 to 1 multiplexer will be implemented here. Selections line will be 2 because the total variable is 3. Ordered sequence is XYZ, which is given in the question. Single out variable will be left hand side, that is X, and the selection line variables will be Y and Z. Now the implementation table, so this is the 3 variables, so we will write the numbers from 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and here we are using the one variable X bar and X. So mark the circle on numbers which is given in the question 1, 3, 5 and 6, and write the values below of this table according to the rules. If the no circle is marked, so 0 will become, if the both circle will be marked, 1 will become, if only the bottom circle will be marked, then there will be a X, or if the top circle will be marked, top number will be marked in circle, there will be a X bar. So this is the implementation of 4 into 1 mux, I0, I1, I2 and I3. So 0 is only on I1, I0 and 1 will be only on I1, and X is only on I2 and X bar is only on I3. So the F is the output of this. Now the 4 into 1 multiplexer equation will be S0 S1 multiplied by I0 plus S0 S1 multiplied by I1, S0 S1 multiplied by I2 plus S0 S1 multiplied by I3, and we will mark the bar on the respective positions, such as the binary number of 0 is a 0 0, so both bar will be used here. The binary number of 1 is 0 1, so here on 0 bar will become, this is 0 1 and this is 1 1. In this is a 1 0 and here is a 1 1. So this is the final expression of 4 into 1 multiplexer.